Ever wondered what a DApp is and how it works? Well, let's demystify this concept together. DApp is an abbreviation for Decentralized Application. Unlike traditional applications we use every day, a DApp operates on a decentralized network. This means that it's not controlled by any single entity or authority. Now you might ask, how is that even possible? Well, the answer lies in the underlying technology that powers DApps, blockchain. Yes, you heard it right, the same technology that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the world of DApps, there are no central servers that store your data. Instead, data is stored across a network of computers, making it nearly impossible for any single party to control or manipulate it. This ensures a high level of security and transparency, making DApps a game changer in the digital world. So, in simple terms, DApps are applications that run on blockchain technology. Now that we know what DApps are, it's time to understand how they function. DApps, or Decentralized Applications, hinge on the revolutionary technology known as blockchain. The blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions duplicated across a network of computer systems. Each block contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain, a record of that transaction is added to every participant's ledger. This decentralized nature of blockchain provides DApps with their characteristic resilience and security. But what makes DApps truly unique and versatile are smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts whose terms and conditions are directly written into lines of code. They are the building blocks of DApps, automating the execution of an agreement once the predefined conditions are met. Imagine a vending machine where you insert a coin and select your snack. The machine automatically dispenses your chosen item without the need for a human operator. Smart contracts work in a similar fashion. They automatically execute the agreement, eliminating the need for a middleman and making transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient. These smart contracts are stored on the blockchain, making them transparent and resistant to censorship. This transparency is a significant aspect of DApps, as it allows anyone to verify the outcomes of the contracts. Moreover, because the code is distributed and runs on the blockchain, it's virtually impossible to tamper with. This ensures that the DApp operates exactly as programmed, without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. So, in essence, DApps harness the power of blockchain and smart contracts to provide a secure, transparent, and decentralized platform for transactions. They are not controlled by any single entity, but are run by the people, for the people. Therefore, DApps function based on the principles of transparency, security, and decentralization, thanks to the underlying blockchain technology and smart contracts. And this, my friends, is what makes DApps a game changer in the world of digital applications. So, what makes DApps stand out? Let's delve into some of their key features. First off, DApps are open source. This means that the code that forms the backbone of these applications is publicly accessible. Anyone can view, propose modifications, or even contribute to the development of the application. This creates a collaborative environment that's constantly pushing for improvement and innovation. Secondly, DApps are decentralized. They operate on a peer-to-peer network where no single entity has control. This eliminates the potential for a single point of failure and ensures a democratic and fair system. Next, DApps are incentivized. They're designed to reward users with tokens for valuable contributions. This encourages active participation and fosters a sense of community. Lastly, DApps are protocol governed. They follow a cryptographic algorithm which shows proof of value. This means that every transaction, every interaction, is verified and recorded, promoting a high level of transparency and security. These features collectively make DApps an innovative solution for various industries, providing a high level of transparency and security. In a nutshell, DApps have the potential to revolutionize the world of applications as we know it. These decentralized applications, or DApps, break from the traditional model by operating on blockchain technology. This technology ensures that no single entity has control over the data, promoting transparency and trust. A fundamental part of DApps is smart contracts. These digital agreements automate transactions, enhancing efficiency and reducing the risk of human error. They are the backbone of DApps, ensuring seamless and reliable operations. Let's not forget the key features of DApps that set them apart. These applications are open source, ensuring everyone has access to the app's code. They are also incentivized, rewarding users who contribute to the network. And they are decentralized, operating on a peer-to-peer network. As we continue to explore and innovate in the field of blockchain technology, the potential and impact of DApps will only continue to grow.